In just 3 sessions, he healed me from Lyme's disease. My name is Agnes Kretko and I'm a project manager. I work in the information technology field. I was taking a hike one day in California and a tick fell on my scarf, and this tick ended up falling onto my stomach and it bit me. I got infected with Lyme's disease. I got a bullseye circle around it within a week. So that very rapidly disrupted my life. I started getting very sick. I started having all kinds of symptoms of just constant colds, incredible fatigue, muscle pains, weird nervous tics. I couldn't sit and meditate, for example, because my legs were shaking all the time. Immediately, I went to a doctor. Within 2 weeks, I was taking antibiotics. I took a full antibiotic cocktail, and at the same time, there was a holistic nutritionist working with me, so I was taken care of. But even though I had all that help, the antibiotics cocktail and the healer nutritionist could not kick the Lyme's disease, even though I caught it early. So I just got very lucky in a chat room. Someone mentioned that they were healed from Lyme's disease with biomagnetism. And it was just a 1-sentence little comment in a chat room, and I went after it and I found Dr. Garcia. So when I went in to meet him, and he greeted me with his huge smile and a hug like he always does, it was like we were working together to solve this problem. He had the skills and I was willing to let my body heal. After the first session, I already felt better. After the second session, I started having, no colds, nothing like that. None of those viral symptoms that I was having, the shaking of the legs and all the different weirdness was gone. And then the next session after that, I was completely healed. I had all my energy back. My whole life went back to normal. And I've been sold on biomagnetism ever since because it was a lifesaver for me. So I'm just now going through training, and I really look forward to starting to help other people. I want to be part of what magnets can do for the world.